how do we get rid of our in-laws, the greedy in-laws, from gaining access to the estate, is by having a properly drafted estate plan, a trust-based estate plan. And I'll explain that in a little bit. But so what happens in most cases, how the in-laws gain access, the parent doesn't do anything or doesn't have an estate plan in place, or if they do have something, it's not really well thought out. What happens in most cases is that this money gets commingled with other funds that the child has. Other saving accounts that they have, or maybe now they deposit their earnings, their paychecks into the same account. And now if, let's say, years later, the child ends up having to go through a divorce, there's a great chance that the child will lose half of that inheritance, because the divorcing spouse will argue that this is now community property because the funds were commingled. The child could lose half of the inheritance that you intended to leave to him or her.